Oh. Uh-oh. So glorious. Across from and then do we have a level?
Yeah.
We'll just level at every
Post. Oh no, dang it.
Hold the defense. We got a staple gun, 18,
Never giving you the camera again.
16 gauge staples. The reason we do 16 gauge is because it's crazy to use 18 gauge. They just pop right out in the heat. So we use 16 gauge. Got tremendous, actually 10,000 pounds of holding power, which is a lot. Basically, you could have an elephant pull on it and it's not going anywhere. Yep. 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 Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the hottest takes, latest updates. We might not be the smartest fence builders, but we are the best. Also, we're probably not the best either, but I mean, I'd say, you know, in general, for kind of your mid-level, slightly entertaining, but not too entertaining, that's gonna be us. You know, like 3 out of 5 days of the week, that would be us. Also, you can trust your kids with us because we're pastors. It's just what every homeowner wants to hear from a construction worker. A lot of you people might be wondering right now, how come you just staple in the top and the bottom? My answer to that would be, mind your own business. No, it's because we go through and we staple all of them in a straight line at the end. I don't even know if it's faster, but it's definitely more fun.
Definitely not faster.
It's definitely faster and more fun.
Twice as many steps.
Hey, you're fired. Never question the boss. Boom shakalaka. The one thing you do have to be careful with this is the trigger lock on it. You're holding it down and you bump yourself. You're putting a staple through your hand. It's not fun. And no, I have not done that, but I've seen plenty of videos. People doing that. Oop.
Booyah!
Good? You to miss.
It is more fun, and it will be way more fun to watch.
What?
You just go.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really fun to watch. Ooh.
Spicy. Ho ho ho. Dude, was that a lunar eclipse? The last board, right before this, the last staple.
Reloading. Double kill.
That's what I was waiting for.
Kill Slayer.
Headshot.